Friends, a case under section 153 IPC was registered in Kerala state against Srimati Maneka Gandhi for her violent remarks against Malappuram district where the elephant death took place. Once you hear the name of Maneka Gandhi, definitely in law we will be remembering the celebrated case of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, which is a hallmark case for individual personal life and liberty during the year 1975, where her passport has been withheld by the foreigners that registration authority, and he did not give reasons for impounding the passport, and when she wanted to go out she could not go away. Therefore she filed a case against the Union of India. At that time the right to life and liberty, article 21, has come into extensive debate, and ultimately she won the case. She was successful, and this is a celebrated case law. Every one of you know. And of course, she worked as a minister, and now I think she is only BJP MP. Previously, she worked as a minister. Right. Now, why this trouble has come? So, on May 27th, a plantation worker in that particular district, Malappuram district, a plantation worker, he filled a coconut with crackers, with explosive material. Actually, last night he was arrested and it was shown in the TV also. He says that he wanted to hunt the wild bears. So he wanted to trap the bears, but innocently the elephant came there and it has fallen a trap, and with the firing it died. The elephant died. It has caused so much of commotion. No doubt, at that time, Madam Maneka Gandhi, she tweeted against Malappuram, describing it as she tweeted that it is the most violent district in the country. Therefore, an FIR was registered against her in Malappuram under section 153. Why? For wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause a riot between two groups. Of course, 153 IPC, nowadays they are being commonly used. Of course, in the view of the Kerala people, it is definitely an inciting remark about Malappuram and its people, because she stated that it is a violent district. People are violent people. Of course, no doubt the death of elephant is there. It happened in Palakkad. This belongs to Malappuram. So right. Then the MP, local MP, his name is P.V. Abdul Wahab. So he sent a letter. He invited Madam Maneka Gandhi to visit Malappuram to see and experience the land. Even though she described it as the most violent district, so it is having an excellent model of communal harmony and also peaceful coexistence. So requesting you to please pay a short visit. Of course, now the forest department people, they have arrested the person. I think his name is a plantation worker. His name not given. His name is Wilson. So he was arrested, and he admitted that he placed an explosive trap to hunt the wild boar. Of course, he reportedly admitted that he stuffed the explosive with the coconut and set the bait for the bear, but the innocent elephant came there and he has become a victim and it died. Of course, it's a very serious issue. Killing the elephant is not that, because Wildlife Protection Act is there. Anybody who violates it, he has to be taken to task, and these things do happen. People are not that communal harmony, all these things they are different, but they are habituated for hunting the wild elephants, hunting the wild boars and elephants. Hunting is a process, of course, which is against the law. But anyway, now the death of the elephant caused the registration of the case against Maneka Gandhi. So since she described as the Malappuram area and as the violent district and therefore aggrieved by this, an advocate, a Supreme Court lawyer by name K.R. Subhash Chandran of Kerala and some others like Indian Union Muslim League, then the Youth Congress, the Democratic Youth Federation of India, and the Solidarity Youth Movement, all these people, and also under the guidance of Subhash Chandran, they filed a case against her. Of course, an FIR was registered. Let us see what will happen. Already, police people. Another thing is the official website of this thing, People for Animals, PFA. So it is actually NGO founded by Madam Maneka Gandhi. It was hacked by a Facebook group. It was hacked by a Facebook group called the so-called this is called as Kerala Cyber Warriors. So this is an operation against criminal hand. Of course, when she reported that the NGO's website has been hacked, immediately the people came, the government authorities came into contact, and they have actually, it has been reinstated. The Facebook account has been reinstated. Now she is conducting the account from this NGO. Anyway, this is a bad incident because one should know Maneka Gandhi, she is a reputed leader. Of course, she worked as a minister also. I think she is now in BJP MP. She is a BJP MP, I believe. But the language and tenor, once again I have been telling you, whenever you use the tweet, of course it's limited to 180 words. Otherwise, so nowadays so many cases have been booked. Anyway, so confirming that it is a violent district where even elephants can also be killed. That is a dangerous thing. Of course, the outcome of the case may be otherwise, but the importance of her being made an accused in a case of 153 is sending shockwaves. This is the importance of the issue. So please remember this case, Maneka Gandhi case. So not Maneka Gandhi versus India. This is a case registered against her.